I'm at the Science and Innovation Park, and these are my skates. But today we'll be looking at some older skates. Come on, let's have a look. Skates first became popular in 1870. This was after the invention of trucks by an American engineer around 150 years ago. Probably not the kind of truck you're thinking of. These trucks allow the skater to lean from side to side, making it easier to turn left and right. In those days, most wheels were made out of metal or wood, like the wheels on these skates. Wooden wheels gave good grip, however they wore down quickly. Metal wheels were durable, however were loud and rusted easily. Neither were good for smooth rolling in the long run. From the 50s onwards, most wheels were made of mixed up plastic, paper, and even crushed up walnut shells. These were better, however, they still chipped and didn't give good grip. In the 1970s, two new materials were used. They were urethane and polyurethane. These are still the most commonly used materials today. They gave good grip, didn't wear down, chip, or rust. Another thing you may have noticed about these old skates is that they have no boot attached to them, like these skates. It was more common for skates to be attached to your shoe. I wonder what that would have been like. You'll probably see loads of different wheels today on things like cars, bikes, buses, trains, trams, even roller skates. Can you tell what they're made of and why those materials were chosen?